Lelithimba elinamalungu angama-34 libambe umhlangano walo wokuqala kulempela sonto kanti ngaphandle kokuthola umbiko wamalungu waphambilini liphinde lahlangana nobuholi beANC.
The ANC NYTT has had its meeting from Friday when we started with the induction by Comrade Khalima Mutlante, and then we continued with discussions. Yesterday we had the president of the ANC talking to us, giving a political input and giving his advice on what needs to be done going forward in saving the ANC Youth League and returning the ANC Youth League back to its members.
Uphiko lwentsha ye-SABC iANCYL SA luthi lizokweseka umsebenzi walelithimba kepha lixwayise ngokuthi uqhekeko olukhona eqenjini iANC kufanele lingadluleli kulelithimba.
We wish to have a youth league that is led by its rightful owners, and then we see the revival, because if one body part is limping or having challenges, it affects the entire progressive youth formations. And in this case, obviously, we'll play our support, we'll work very close to the appointed leadership, and indeed, we just hope that they are not going to allow to be drawn into factional battles of the Congress movement that we've already seen.
Kubhungwe ngezihloko ezimbalwa kulomhlangano odonse impela sonto yonke nokubalwa kuzo ukuhlakazwa kwamagatsha ophiko lwentsha ezifundazweni. Lelithimba lizobamba isithangami sabeindaba kusasa ukudalula konke okuphume kulomhlangano.